Hello everyone and welcome. Today we'll be discussing about how to set up Shopify discount code by customer group. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what we are going to be doing here is that to set up Shopify discount code, you simply need to head over to your you can say like products. In here you have your gift card. Simply head over to that. Since we need to incorporate our discount code, it is going to be pretty easy. So we have create gift card or add a gift card product. You can create your gift card and then you have this gift card code that you can share with your group. And if you want to simply publicize or maybe share it in a group, you can do that. Or yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel as well. So yeah, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.